What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Benjamin Harden here with another travel and lifestyle video. I create videos just like this one that include my travel tips, my experiences, things that I get up to, and hope that sharing this sort of information with you helps you in the future with your adventures. We're in a completely different location. We're on Magnetic Island. I arrived here early this morning. We've got 3 nights. Hopefully a jam-packed stuff to do here, and we're going to take you along for the adventure. So let's get stuck in, and here we go. Just dropped off Charlie's, just dropped off the car. We've got all the bags, we've got everything we need. We're going to head on through to the terminal. I think we're on time for the ferry, for the walk-on ferry. One of the destinations you've got to get to on Magnetic, West Point. Look at the sunset over here. Good morning, day 2 on this beautiful, gorgeous island. Just woke up at the hostel here at Base Backpackers. Beautiful, beautiful sights to wake up to in the morning. Got another day of full packed up stuff, got the hire car sorted, so we're going to explore around the island and yeah, see what we can get up to today. So let's finish getting ready, let's get sorted and let's go again. So I'm just gonna double check. Look how many butterflies on this tree here. If I just shake it a little bit, you see if it come off. See what I mean? That's a tiny tree. That's a tiny tree. Get like one of these big ones and they just. Oh, look at this one here. Look at all of these there. Look at all that. Oh my god. They're flipping everywhere. I just want to go on my hand. I just want it to stay on me, like touch on me. Oh my god. Look at all of these. So, I think this is to summarise a bit of travelling for you, okay? We decided to take an expedition and a hike, go right up to the Forts Walk, to then find an absolute big, huge cloud come over the whole of it, and we just got absolutely drenched in the water, flip-flops on, laptop in back, no problem, no problem. Make a plan, expect the plan to go full on belly up, try and adapt around the plan, and then make another one. Day 3 on the beautiful magnetic island. We've just finished having a bit of breakfast. Now we're going to head on over to the Nelly Bay terminal to get the shuttle bus over to Horseshoe Bay, which is the east side of the island. Got some plans over there sorted already. I've booked a koala sanctuary to see a bit of wildlife here. Really looking forward to it, really excited. So that's today's plans. That's just after midday, and then we do a bit more exploring. Just gonna keep them here.
The crocs, they are one of the largest reptilians around, and there was one male crocodile called Lolong, who was found in the Philippines, 6.17 metres, weighed roughly a tonne. So an absolute beast of an animal.
Yeah.
Female.
You bastard, you. Okay. Yeah, you got me, you got me. God. That's going in the video, by the way.
You can see them in the day.
Hello, bud.
Yeah, you can see them in the day, they're not good.
No.
Big teddy bear, man.
Yeah.
That way. Wow, so soft. It's softer than the wombat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like sheepskin, I reckon. It looks like
Saw
but
these.
she's also like a stage fright winner.
Oh, yeah. Taking things up. It's beautiful. Magnetic Island is absolutely gorgeous. When coming here, I really wanted to kind of figure out what sort of trip it's going to be for staying here 3 nights. I thought it was going to be about seeing loads of places, but then I realised that the nature here and the wildlife is like something that, one, I've never seen it in Australia technically, and 2, it kind of just emphasised the island and what it's about. Especially going to the wildlife sanctuary earlier and doing that tour around there, I kind of found out like how important like the wildlife is, the animals, how they're looked after here, and how the island has like the most amount of koalas in Australia on Magnetic Island. So yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed every single second of it. I just want to give a massive shout out to Kelly and all the staff at Bungalow Bay Village for the koala wildlife tour. It was one of my highlights here. I really thoroughly enjoyed it, especially holding the snakes. I am not that fond of them. I'm quite scared of them actually, but after holding the birds and the wild and the lizards and stuff, I felt a bit comfortable with Kelly's guidance. So yeah, holding the snakes was kind of a big thing for me, and I'm super glad that I did it. So thank you very much for that. And so during my time here, I've kind of gathered a bit of useful information that's helped me with my days on the island. So I kind of want to share that with you. So if you do come over to Magnetic Island, you can kind of use this information in the future for you. So the Sea Link ferry is how I got over here. You can get tickets online for $32 or get it at the kiosk for $34. This is the walk-on ferry. You can also get a car ferry over, but obviously you've got to pay for your car coming over, so that's going to cost you like over $250 plus, I think, because you're paying for the whole car. You can get it from the Breakwater Terminal at the marina. My car parking was like $8 for every 24 hours, so I paid for the 3 days in order to leave my car there to collect it when I get back to Townsville. The shuttle bus runs like, I think, hourly or very quite a lot basically. It goes from the goes all the way over from Nelly Bay, where you arrive in the terminal, all the way over to the East Coast, which is like Picnic Bay, etc., West Point or whatever. And then you also go over to the right hand side, which is like Horseshoe Bay, which is where I am now, which is decent. It's quite cheap, depending on if you want to get a day pass, if you want to go just like a single adult, etc. But yeah, it's super easy because it runs often and it's super convenient. Moving on to the car hire rental. If you don't bring your car over here, and you don't want to take buses everywhere, you can have the option to hire a car. I found 3 companies on Magnetic Island. The first one was Isle Hire. The second one was the Topless Barbie Cars. And the third one was Arcadia Guest Beach House. Now, depending on which one you want to go for, the prices are normally the same. I think the first 2 were like $129, and then the second one I got a bit of discount on because my mate was staying there. The reason why I went with Arcadia Beach Guest House is because they're pretty much like little small 4x4s. Like there was Suzuki Vitaras, I think, so they had access to more places on the island, such as West Point over on the west coast, and we managed to get over for sunset. In the small Barbie cars, you're a bit limited to like the main roads, so if that's a thing for you and you want to seek out other places, then yeah, maybe take this in consideration when you hire a car. Lastly, I just want to say a massive thank you to my friend Ray that I met in Airlie Beach, that was in my last video over Sailing the Whitsundays on New Horizon. You gave me awesome recommendations before I came to Magnetic. It's how I found out about Arcadia Beach Guest House with the hire cars. So you're a legend. Thanks so much, Ray, for all of your suggestions. I very much enjoyed this whole trip on Magnetic Island. And so that brings us on to the end of this video. I massively enjoyed taking you guys along with me for the trip. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If so, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. And we'll see you guys back in the next video. I have no clue where we're going to be. Maybe in Cairns, maybe in Darwin, who knows. But I love taking you guys along with me for the ride. So we'll see you guys back in the next one. See you later. Bye bye.